Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeSploit's exclusive series on mastering Linux. This is another tutorial on managing system processes, and today we are going to take a look at changing process priority. So every process in Linux is given a priority number. As I guess you probably have guessed that this priority number determines how much important the process is and where it demands the line in terms of using system resources. Let me tell you, these priority numbers range from numbers 0 to 127, with 0 being the highest priority and 127 being the lowest priority. So what's the use of this to us? As a root user or system admin, we can't directly determine the priority of a process. Actually, that's the job of the kernel. But in Linux we have this capability where we can actually hint to the kernel that we would like a process to run with a higher priority. We can do this using the nice command. The syntax of nice command for changing the process priority is nice followed by a -n switch followed by a number. Let me tell you that this nice command has values which ranges from -20 to +19. -20 to +19, where the lower values represent the process with a higher priority. This means that -20 value actually indicates a higher priority and +19 value indicates the lowest priority. So we can set a process's nice value by using the nice command, followed by the n switch, as you have seen I have given right here, and followed by the value of the nice, and then for example, if I want to give a process a highest priority, I would give -19 or maybe -20. Actually -20 is not feasible, actually that will consume the most resources, so that's why -19 is the maximum you should give to a single process. Okay, so nice followed by the n switch followed by the process priority number and then followed by the command. Okay, so we can get a list of the commands for using the psaux. So let's do a psaux first and let's pick up a process. Maybe I guess maybe this user lib tracker minus. You can see that is consuming 7.3% of my RAM and 36.5% of my CPU. I don't know what this is, but let's nice it. So nice followed by n. I want to give it the lowest priority, so maybe +19. okay, followed by the command, which is user lib tracker minor apps. So if you double tap this, copy this and paste it right over here, so okay, see, you can see that it's critical, so could not request the org free is it running. So this ran into an error if we change the process priority. So let's do a psaux again and let's see what's happening. So you can see an instant decrease in the RAM and the CPU consumption. You can see it was consuming 36.5% of my CPU and it changed to only 5.1% of my CPU. So you can see how nice command works. And similarly, if you wanted to give a process the highest priority, we would use nice followed by -n switch and then followed by -20 followed by any command. So basically you shouldn't give any process this -20, because this -20 indicates a process with highest priority and it's actually not feasible for whole processes alike. If we wanted to reduce the priority of a specific process, we could actually renice it. Means if we wanted to change a specific process which we had already niced it, for example, you just saw I had changed this priority. So as you can see it right over here, it's running on very low power consumption, memory consumption. So what if we wanted to change this process priority again? So we would use the command renice. So let me tell you, let's just keep a simple thing in mind, that nice has values. Wait, let me just clear the terminal. Okay, so nice has values ranging from -20 to +19, and renice has values ranging from -20 to +15. Sorry, Okay, so minus 22 plus 15, so that's basically the difference. Renice syntax is renice followed by the process number followed by the PID, and as if you remember, nice takes the command itself as a whole separate process, but renice takes only the PID. So we can get a simple PID by typing PSAUX. So if we take the same process which we had niced it, so the process is 921. So what we do a renice followed by 921 and then followed by, oops, I'm sorry, the PID should come later. Before that it should come the number. For example, I wanted to give the highest priority, maybe minus 15. Okay, so the process is the old priority and new, so you can see that the 921, the old priority is 19, and now the new priority is minus 15. It means the priority got increased. So let's do a PSOX and let's see how much resources is consuming. Okay, yeah, there is no change in the resources, I guess. We had changed the process priority, and actually the renice command actually takes a bit of time to get its effectiveness. And yeah, that's renice command for you. So this much only for today's tutorial. I guess you are enjoying this series, so if you are enjoying, so please leave a like and comment. See you in the next tutorial. Good luck and goodbye. Have a safe hack.